Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Infinity Box token. Ticker symbol is Ibox. This was actually a viewer request. Somebody in the comments said, do a video on the info on Infinity Box. So here we are. This token is actually up 147% right now, according to CoinMarketCap. Token price right now is 13.1 cents per token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So infinitybox.app is their official webpage. You can find that listed on CoinMarketCap along with their BSC scan, their full white paper, Twitter's on here, Telegram, price chart, contract address, all that stuff is available on here. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the Ibox token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, their BSC scan webpage, white paper. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that. So according to their BSC scan, right now they have 2,508 holders, 12,168 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of 10 million tokens. So on their webpage, you can find their full white paper. You can launch their decentralized application. They have a security section, partners, tokenomics, features, info, all sorts of stuff on here. So it says, experience unrestricted and decentralized data storage for free. Securely store all your files in a decentralized, immutable, and unrestricted manner with tools used to build the decentralized web, empowering the distributed storage. So the decentralized and distributed blockchain-based storage network comprising various Infinity Box nodes. Infinity Box will gradually reform the way people store, exchange, and validate valuable data. So there's data encryption, data security. The data is always encrypted when it's transferred via the network or stored on local storage systems as shown in the below diagram. And you can check out the diagram on their white paper. You can find their white paper at infinity-box.gitbook.io. It says when users interact with Ibox nodes via the decentralized app to send storage requests along with data, a secure channel is established via HTTPS, and the data transferred between dApp and Ibox nodes is always encrypted. Also, there is data replication. So Infinity Box provides data owners with the flexibility to define their security strategies by allowing them to configure the replica quantity, shard quantity. By default, Infinity Box creates 3 replicas of each copy of data, which provides a good balance between data availability and data storage space requirements. So it goes over a whole bunch of info on that if you want to check that out on the data replication. Also talks about data sharding on here. It's a powerful technique used by Infinity Box to store data more securely and robustly. When data is stored with Ibox, it is split into multiple shards, each containing a small fragment of the data. You could read all about that. And the Ibox architecture basically has the storage and validation API. This provides a storage and validation service API for external applications to leverage the storage and validation compatibility provided by Ibox. Also, the Ibox token incentive layer provides Ibox tokens to miners to secure and maintain the stability of the Infinity Box. The P2P layer, peer-to-peer, the fundamental network layer for Charter to build a P2P network for Binance Smart Chain, credit-based proof of stake, is the consensus mechanism for Ibox to maintain the public ledger for Binance Smart Chain. Also has pluggable storage layer, the adapter used to interact with different storage engines. It hides the storage engine difference and provides a unified storage interface for components to use. It's got the Ibox distributed file system and integrated into the Ibox client as part of Ibox storage layer is an IPFS and could be switched later to use manually. So those are all the things within the ecosystem. The token information is on here. Maximum supply, 10 billion tokens, like I mentioned earlier. It's a BEP20 token. 55% of the tokens go to pre-sale reserve, 15% partner reserve, 10% advisory reserve, 10% ecosystem, 5% airdrop, and 5% burn. They also have a full roadmap that you could check out on their white papers, starting with Phase 1, Infinity Box initial idea, team alignment, concept building, website development, white paper creation, product development, marketing collaboration. Phase 2, contract, SAFU, and audited, KYC verification, marketing expansion, ICO on Pink Sale. And now we have the decentralized exchange listing and listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, so that's kind of where we're at right now. So coming up in the future, there's going to be a central exchange listing, it says, and then they're going to move on to Phase 3, where the Infinity Box product launch happens, and then mobile application will be launched. Then a multi-chain exchange function plan and strategy, decentralized finance storage beta testing, Ibox testnet open access, and then test and refine the network stability. Now, if you want to check their socials out, they have a whole bunch. They have a Twitter, Telegram, YouTube channel, Medium, Instagram. Those are all linked on their white paper. Their Infinity Box Twitter has 29 tweets so far, and they just joined in April 2023. It's a very brand new project, but very active. 29 tweets in, what day is it? The 16th. So in a couple weeks, they already have 29 tweets and 3,614 followers. So they're off to a good start. They do have a SAFU, KYC, and audit, it says. And you could probably see that on Pink Sale. They probably had a pre-sale on Pink Sale. If I scroll down, I'm sure it'll show me there. They have a PooCoin chart you can check out. I mean, they are on CoinMarketCap now with a chart on there, which is probably better. I do see InterFi. Okay, so it looks like they do have InterFi network link here on their Twitter. You could just check that out. Yeah, Pink Sale. They had a Pink Sale pre-sale. Let me skip over to that here quickly and check that out. Yeah, over there you could find audit, KYC, SAFU badge. Their pre-sale here did pretty well. 210.2 BNB were sold. Pretty successful pre-sale here. And they have a quick audit as well by Analytics Audit. All good check marks, no warnings on the quick audit. And that's about it. You can check out all the rest of the information. All the links are on CoinMarketCap now. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.